Good afternoon and welcome to Daily Stock Market Update. The DAX extended its losing streak for the 7th consecutive day, losing 14.39 points or 0.23% and settled at 6,139 points. Market turnover was BDT 6.66 billion, which is an increase of 108.42% compared to the previous trading day. Beximco, Walton, Berger Paints, BSR Steels and Singer from the industrial sector, United Power, Titash Gas, Summit Power and Power Grid from the fuel and power sector, and Robi and Grameenphone from the telecom sector mainly dragged the market down today. In terms of sector-wise return, the textile sector registered the highest gain of 0.48%, while the NBFI sector posted the second highest gain of 0.36%. On the other hand, the life insurance sector registered the highest loss of 1.51%. Four industrial companies and four general insurance companies were among the top 20 losers today. Bangladesh Industrial Finance, HR Textile and Alif Industries registered the highest gain, while IPDC Finance, Eastern Lubricants and Rainwick Jatishore were the top losers. Investors might have shown interest in Bangladesh Industrial Finance's stock due to the company's upcoming record date on 25th of July. On the other hand, IPDC Finance is scheduled to have its board of directors meeting on 26th of July, and investors' low earnings expectation may have caused the stock price to decline. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Bangladesh Industrial Finance, Mithun Knitting and ML Dyeing increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news. Inflationary pressure continued to remain high in June as point-to-point inflation reached a 9-year high of 7.56% amid rising cost of living and absence of wage increase, putting more pressure on low and middle income class people. Experts fear that this rising trend may continue in the coming days due to the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war and mismatch in demand and supply. The World Bank estimates that the global economic growth is expected to nosedive by the end of this year. But the government aims to export $67 billion for the current fiscal year. Export earnings from goods will be $58 billion, and the rest of the amount will come from the service sector. The International Monetary Fund predicted the global gross domestic product to be 4.4% or lower in the next year, while Bangladesh gross domestic product growth is estimated to be 7.25% for the fiscal year of 2022-23. Meanwhile, the target export earnings from the ready-made garments is projected to be $46 billion amid receiving 30% less orders of their capacity due to global inflation. That's all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.